So physical quantities, they are classified into two parameters, two types we can say. One of the types is a scalar quantity and the other one is a vector quantity. In case of scalar quantities, the direction doesn't matter, while in case of vector quantities, the direction of the parameter matters. We will discuss about distance and displacement, where distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Suppose we are traveling from point A to a point B. While traveling from point A to point B, a person or someone can follow different paths. Let us say it goes here at this point, and then goes here, and then goes here, and then goes here. Let us say this is the path the person has traveled in order to reach point B. So this is our start point and this is our end point. So while traveling from start point A, if a person takes different halts and reaches point B, the length of the path that the person has traveled is called as the distance. It is irrespective of the direction. Let us suppose after reaching point B, a person or someone goes to this point in a backward direction, we say, right? And then goes here, and then goes here, and then goes back to point B. The length of the path changes. If a person follows another path, let us say from point A, again being the start point, and say point B being the end point. Okay, now while traveling from point A as the start point, if a person follows a different path, if we see this and we see this shortest distance is called as the shortest path, which is a straight line path between A and B, is called as the displacement, and it is direction specific. We mention it as from A to B. If someone is traveling from B to A, then this will be written as, in that case, it will be written as from B to A, right? When a person is traveling from A to B and goes straight, following the shortest path, that is called as the displacement. The total length of the path that is being followed to reach the end point is called as the distance. So if we see, if the start point and end points are same, if a person goes to B and comes back to A, where the start point and end points are the same, in that case the displacement is 0, because from the start point, displacement is the shortest distance between the start point and the end point. If the start point and end point are the same, in that case the displacement is 0. However, a person or someone has traveled all the length to reach point B and has come back to A, then the distance will never be 0, because distance is the length of the path that is traveled from start point to end point. So distance can never be 0, but displacement can be 0. In what case can the displacement be 0? It can be 0 when the start point and end point are same. So since distance is irrespective of direction, it has only magnitude and has no direction. So it is a scalar quantity, and distance will never be 0 if a point or if the object or if a person has moved from its start point. The displacement can be zero if the person has come back to the same point again where it has started its journey.